Tomato. In the round 1, work 8 single crochets in the magic ring. In the next round, work 2 double crochets in each single crochet. Total, 16 double crochets. In the round 3, work 1 single crochet. Chains 3. Skip 1 stitch. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total, 8 single crochets, 8 chains 3. Tomato. 1 slip stitch in the double crochet that is under the single crochet of the round 3. Work in the chains 3 space of the previous round. 1 slip stitch. Chains 2. 1 triple. 2 double triples. 1 triple. 1 double crochet. Repeat 7 more times. Repeat 7 more times. One slip stitch in the double crochet that is under the single crochet of the round 3. Total, 8 petals, 16 double triples, 16 triples, 8 double crochets, 8 chains 2, 8 chains 3, 16 slip stitches. Tomato. 1 single crochet in the slip stitch of the previous round. Chains 4. Repeat 7 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Bring the petals of the round 4 forward. Total, 8 single crochets, 8 chains 4. Tomato. Work in the chains 4 space of the previous round. 1 slip stitch. Chains 2. 1 triple. 3 double triples. One triple. 1 double crochet. 1 slip stitch in the single crochet of the round 5. Repeat 7 more times. Total, 8 petals, 24 double triples, 16 triples, 8 double crochets, 8 chains 2, 8 chains 3, 16 slip stitches. Tomato. One single crochet front post in the double crochet of the round 2. Chains 2. Skip 2 stitches. Repeat 4 more times. In the end, skip 3 double crochets. Close with 1 slip stitch in first single crochet front post. Total, 5 single crochet front post, 5 chains 2. Tomato. Work in the chains 2 space of the previous round. One slip stitch. Chains 2. 1 triple. Two double triples. One triple. One double crochet. One slip stitch in the single crochet of the round one. Repeat 4 more times. Total: 10 double triples, 10 triples, 5 double crochets, 5 chains 2, 5 chains 3, 10 slip stitches. Buttermilk or dandelion. Center flower. Knit 8 double crochet into a magic ring. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first double crochet. Fill with the remaining wool. Sew to the center of the flower.